makes it simple. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to connect your store and sync your products in just few steps. This is focused on Salaaz, so here we go. This is a vendor portal. When you log in, you can see we have a couple products listed here. I'll show you how to connect to Shopify. You go to settings, in settings, you go to integrations, in integrations, you'll go see a Shopify store. Mine was already connected, but I'm gonna show you because there are going to be new products that we're going to import. So once you have downloaded and connected your app in Shopify Store, our Salaaz app, you can come here and just write Salaaz. Salaaz is my Salaaz-2 is my store name, but obviously you focus on yours, and then you hit connect. In a few seconds, you will see there's a jobs or starts running into where it's importing one out of 2 out of 4 products or 3 out of and 4 out of 4 products. Once you go to inventory, you go to products, and as you notice, we didn't have any cotton t-shirts, Gondor, uh, and then a couple other products that we uploaded. Another way you can find out is it's uncategorized. There's no categories given to them because Salaaz has its own category, which is different from our Shopify store. So these are some simple steps to take. It will import all of your products. And then yeah, thank you.